We had made people ask us why we decided to go from a residential queen to a short queen. I will tell you, it is mainly because of this right here. We only have 15 inches between the door and the actual edge of the bed. And when we are walking, we literally we have to turn sideways in order to get beside the door. Otherwise, we are hitting the door, and that is just a constant nuisance. So we are going to go to a short queen. We're both not tall. We're about 5'7", 5'8", both of us. So we are going to go through that whole procedure. I will tell you, to get this mattress even out of the bedroom is crazy tight squeeze. But we got it. So we already have the short queen put in. You can see that our base of the bed sticks out. So we are going to have to trim that down. So I'm sure it's going to make a mess. We are going to use a jigsaw. We figured a circular saw would make more of a mess. Okay, so we opted to do 4 inches instead of the 6, and that way, if we ever decide to put back a residential queen, we can, or if we sell the RV or something. I did line the new mattress with some plastic just to try to keep some of the sawdust off, and we'll see how things proceed. I am happy to report that is all of the sawdust that there was, so not too much at all. I'll take that any day of the week. Not bad. I also am going to recommend that you cover up your floor vent, maybe with a piece of plastic as well, just to make sure that the sawdust does not go down there. The entire board is cut. I have sanded it down just so that I don't have any jagged edges. I'm getting ready to flip the mattress around, and let's see how everything fits. I will tell you that I am so stinking excited. It fit perfectly. The short mattress is going to give us 20 inches of walk space, and as you can see, I can walk straight back and don't have to worry about turning sideways. The 4 inches also was perfect. Here is underneath. I have just a little lip, and that's perfect. You're not going to hit it with your knee or anything, and you still have room to open up the actual bed, so that's great. And there we are. The short queen is installed, the platform is trimmed, the bedspread and all the bedding fits perfectly still, and there is tons of walk space in order to get by. So I am super excited. So again, we are not tall people. The tallest of us is 5'8". We did opt to go with a queen short instead of the queen residential that the RV came with. That mattress was horribly uncomfortable anyway. We went with one of the linen ball mattresses that are on Amazon. It had 11,000 reviews of 4.5 stars. I figured that many people could not be wrong, and I will tell you, it's very comfortable. So we're extremely happy.